Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a delicious English adventure for you. We are going to listen to an awesome story called The Secret Ingredient. This story is perfect for B1 and B2 learners who want to level up their English. But wait, this isn't just a story time. It's a vocabulary challenge. While you listen, keep your ears open for 8 special advanced words. Grab your imaginary baking hats, pay close attention, and let's jump right into the story. Leo had been stuck in a monotonous corporate job for 5 years. Every day looked exactly the same: spreadsheets, endless meetings, and lukewarm coffee. He felt like a robot repeating the same routine, secretly wishing for a spark of excitement. One rainy Saturday, while cleaning out his grandfather's cluttered attic, Leo stumbled upon an old, leather-bound notebook. It wasn't a diary, it was a collection of handwritten bread recipes from the 1950s. Intrigued by a recipe titled The Midnight Loaf, Leo decided to buy some flour and give it a try. The process was therapeutic. He kneaded the dough, watched it rise, and baked it until the crust was a perfect golden brown. When he took his first bite, he was blown away. It was, without a doubt, the best bread he had ever tasted. Soon, baking became an obsession. He started bringing loaves to the office, and his colleagues went wild for them. Within a month, people from other departments were offering to pay him for custom orders. Balancing his demanding day job and his growing weekend business quickly became overwhelming. Leo knew he couldn't keep doing both. He had to make a choice. Taking a leap of faith, he handed in his resignation letter. His boss thought he was crazy to leave a stable salary for flour and yeast. The first few months were incredibly tough. Leo was exhausted, waking up at 3 a.m. every morning to prep the ovens. There were days when he questioned his sanity. However, his dedication paid off when a popular local food influencer posted a video about his bakery. The next morning, a line stretched all the way down the block. Looking at the crowd of smiling customers, Leo smiled. His initial reluctance to leave his comfort zone had been terrifying, but he had finally found his true calling. Alright, vocabulary detectives, story time is over, and now it's time for your mission. We are going to look at our 8 special words right now. Let's see how many you caught. 1. Monotonous. Definition: boring, tedious, and repetitive, lacking in variety or interest. Example: working the same data entry job every day became incredibly monotonous. 2. To stumble upon. Definition: to find or discover something by accident or unexpectedly. Example: while walking through the old town, we stumbled upon a beautiful hidden cafe. 3. Intrigued. Definition: very interested in something and wanting to know more about it, curious. Example: she was intrigued by the mysterious package left on her doorstep. 4. Overwhelming. Definition: having such a great amount of something that it becomes too difficult to deal with or manage. Example: the support from our online community was completely overwhelming. 5. Leap of faith. Definition: an act of believing or doing something risky, trusting that it will turn out well. Example: moving to a new country alone was a huge leap of faith, but it changed my life for the better. 6. Exhausted. Definition: extremely tired, completely drained of physical or mental energy. Example: after running the marathon, he was too exhausted to even eat. 7. To pay off. Definition: to result in success or bring good results after a period of hard work or effort. Example: all those late nights studying finally paid off when she passed the exam with top marks. 8. Reluctance. Definition: unwillingness, hesitation, or doubt about doing something. Example: despite his initial reluctance to try sushi, he ended up absolutely loving it. And that is a wrap on our 8 special words. Massive congratulations to all of you for finishing today's lesson. You are officially one step closer to mastering B1 and B2 English. Now, I have a final challenge for you. Pick one word from our list today, maybe intrigued, leap of faith, or exhausted, and write your own example sentence in the comments below. I will personally read and check your sentences. If you enjoyed Leo's story, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next English adventure. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.